morning. For you who are new, I am Shelly. I am a mandala artist, a digital and dot artist. I paint on stones, canvases, and obviously I do digital art. If you are not new, thank you so much for continuing to come back every week. My goal for this vlog is to share my art process, my art journey. Since I am a part-time artist, I still have a full-time job. So I'm kind of just documenting the process, and hopefully something is helpful to somebody who watches this vlog, because I'm documenting it not only for myself, but to hopefully help or inspire others. Okay, it is Thanksgiving and it is 3:20. Okay, hold on. It is 3:26 in the morning. So I don't know if you can see. Oh, no. My clock, right? So that is what time it is on Thanksgiving morning. I actually woke up at 2, but I'm like, no, it's too early to get up. I have to sleep at least 7 hours. So, yeah, so I got up this morning. I'm always fussing with my hair, so I'm sorry. So I got up and figured I would do some art stuff before the day starts. I have a pie to make today, and then we're going over to my parents' house, and yeah, it's going to be a busy day. Actually, it's going to be a whole busy weekend, because this weekend we have a soccer tournament, and it's going to, both my daughters are playing, so we are really, I actually had to write down both their schedules side by side so I can keep it all together. We're going to be staying the night down there for 2 nights, which is fine. It's going to be fun. It's just, it's tiring. It's tiring. I always feel like I need a day off from that. And then, because of that, I'm not going to have any art time. And next Saturday is going to be December. Actually, not next Saturday. Next weekend, December 7th. Sorry, I'm looking at my computer right now. My computer's right here in front of me, and I'm looking at my schedule for next week. So we've got, so it's Thanksgiving, so we're not at Saturday yet, and I'm probably not going to be doing any kind of art stuff. Maybe if I do, I wake up early and the rest of my family is sleeping. I might do some drawing. I might not. And then next weekend, December 7th, that weekend I have 2 markets. I have one that's local, and then one that is going to be at the Tulalip casino, and it's going to be a busy one. I think there's a lot of vendors there. Right now they have lit up the whole casino. They do this every year, and people come and check it out, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm going to be there for that. So it's going to be super fun. Next weekend, all I have is this week to finish the rest of my ornaments, hopefully paint some more. So I am in like massive production mode. I have to seal a whole bunch of things, and then I'm kind of a little stressed, and I want to make those cards that I showed you on last vlog. I did make another one. Hold on, I didn't even share that with you. So let me grab my tablet. It's right here. I made another design. I actually got inspiration from a person who actually made a card. But I just thought the colors were so pretty, and you can see the mandala background. And I think on this one I'll probably do season's greetings, because not everybody celebrates Christmas, but everybody, well, maybe not everybody celebrates the change of the season. But so that's what I'm gonna be doing, and I'm still working on editing my vlog. That's what I was doing at the beginning of this video. So I'm gonna try and finish that and try to do my social media posts. Today, my girls are actually not home right now. They are actually over at my parents' house. So I have a little bit more extra time to create with no interruptions, which I love my children. I think that's going to be good. The problem is that I have to stay focused, and I have a hard time with that. Okay, well, let's get busy and get going and work on editing and post for next week. All right, let's go. It's my advent calendar. I made that with the girls, I want to say about 4 or 5 years ago. If you want me to talk about it, just let me know. And that's making popcorn for the whole school. Okay, I have scheduled my posts. So I actually use a scheduling app to help me do my posts. So the reason why is because I'm a busy lady and I have to do this or I'm not going to post at all. Oh my gosh. So let's turn it around and I'm going to show you kind of my layout for this week. I think I'm probably not going to post anything on Friday. I don't know yet. I kind of want to do a picture, like, because I have a lot more followers now on Facebook and well, maybe not Instagram, but maybe YouTube. So I'm gonna show those to you real quick, or at least how I have it all scheduled. And the way Metro Cool sets it up, it actually shows you what your where people will see your things and like the time frame of when it does. And just so you know, I am monetized on Facebook, so I get paid for the amount of views and things that I get, which, listen, I'm going to tell you right now, it's not a lot. A lot of people are like, oh my gosh, you make so much money by doing posts and stuff like that. No, I do not get a ton of money. I get like maybe $5, if anything, for like a month, right? It's not very much at all. And I am not one of those people who do posts to shock jock posts. You know what I'm talking about. You know, the ones that like set up and are trying to get you, they're hooking you in to get you to stay. However, I did create a post kind of talking about that I don't always share my whole art process, and that is intentional, and that I'm fully aware that that reel is not going to get a lot of engagement. But I was curious to see how many people actually stick around. So we will see how that one goes, mostly because social media is to be social, right? So I don't know, I'm very interested to see how that goes. So let's turn around and I'll show you what we're looking at here. Is the Metro Cool, I know this is like, the quality of this is probably not the best, but here I've kind of gotten my post. So what it will do, so this is automatically going to post. I've got that one already scheduled. So this is for like a promo for my vlog for next week. This one is pending. So the negative thing about this, instead of doing it on the actual social media platform, is that I have to schedule it and then they email me it and then I have to download the video and then I get to choose what music I want to put. So the reason why I have this is because it posts on all of my social media platforms. So like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and on YouTube. So what will happen, I know it just says Instagram right here, but what happens is that I will get an email and then I will download it and do it. And so then it's all the same thing. And then this one, the way I like to do my posts is I like to do like a photo, a video, a photo. So I kind of break it up. So this one is actually a photo. And then I also have another reel that's going to be scheduled. But this is what I like to use. I am not sponsored in any way. No one knows that I use this, but I thought this would be helpful for any creators out there. It's a very great tool. So I find it to be super helpful. I don't pay for it. It's actually free, but I also don't do 50 posts a month. I'm lucky if I get this much. I don't know if I'm going to do anything Friday. Typically I do, but I think this is probably good. My camera's having a hard time focusing, so I'm going to stop using my mouse. All right. Okay. So now that is done, it is, what time is it? It is 6:28. Oh my gosh. It took me that long to finish my blog and to do all this social media stuff. That's crazy. Oh well, it is what it is. Okay, now I think we are going to have another cup of coffee because I think I need that, and then I am going to actually start painting. Yep, let's go. All right, so I've got a whole bunch of ornaments, and I actually need to start sealing them. So actually I need to finish painting a lot of them, but look how cute these are. I know it's super dark, I'm sorry. So there's that. I have a whole bunch of things that I need to start sealing up. I finally prepped these little trinket bowls to paint, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the dot mandala in the inside. So the nice thing about these trinket bowls, it kind of has like a little nub right there that kind of shows me the middle. So I'm thinking that if I put this guy in here, I can kind of get the center. I don't know. We're going to try it. I got to finish painting the back. But I'm going to paint this, and then I'm going to use, well, I might actually just use my grand finale finish stuff, which is what I'm using for all these to seal them and protect them. And I don't know, did I ever show you guys this? I just actually posted a reel of it showing it complete, but I don't know if I ever showed you this tea light holder and it being completely done. Again, I need to take the marker lines off and seal this guy too. So I have a lot of that kind of work to do. I want to make some more of these cute little Christmas trees, but we will see what I have time for. I'm hoping that maybe this week in the evening I will be in here painting, creating, getting ready for my holiday market, and then I am done for the season. But anything that doesn't sell, I plan on posting on my Etsy shop for people to purchase. So I'm not doing anything else. I decided this year not to do any kind of Black Friday or small business because honestly, I'm already losing money in my business and I can't do it. I just can't. But these will be available and I feel like they're pretty reasonably priced. I don't know. All right. I need to get painting and do other things before I have to start making our pie. Hello, good morning. Okay, so it is Friday, November 29th, so it's Black Friday. Unfortunately, I'm not doing any kind of Black Friday sales just because I just can't. So I'm a mess this morning, so I just thought I would pop on here and kind of like talk to you guys for a little bit and show you some things that I started. So this is going to be a little trinket bowl. I'm gonna put protectant on it, and so it's going to be super cute. Still working on my little trees, and I'm finishing up some more of these guys, which they are just turning out so great, and they're double-sided. I think those are going to be the only ones that I do double siding on. I have these, the snowflakes, but I think I'm just going to stick to one side on these guys, just mostly because we're in like time crunch and I just don't have a whole lot of time. I think that's all that I've been working on. I've been trying my best to stay focused, and I have to tell you, I'm sitting here, I've been up since 3:45 this morning, and I've been painting and listening to a podcast and getting super into it. I get bored, if I'm completely honest. I just get super bored. Like, I've got this guy and I know I need to do more work on it, and I've already lost motivation to do any more of these trees. I think mostly because they're taking me way longer than I would like them to take me to do. But listen, I'm just doing my best on trying to do as much as I can before we leave today to go down to my girls' soccer tournament. I'll bring you along and show you like little clips and stuff. Yesterday I went over to my parents' house for Thanksgiving, and oh my gosh, the sunset was just so gorgeous, and we had a really good chill time. We were actually watching Dirty Jobs, which probably isn't the most good thing to watch before having food. But yeah, so that's pretty much going to be it. I'm probably going to do a little bit more painting. I probably need to I need to start varnishing these guys, or at least start the process of putting the protective coating on it. And then I think that's going to be it. But I'll make sure to bring you guys along on our travels down and kind of show you the craziness of my life. But yeah, okay, talk to you guys later. We made it to our 2-day tournament. We didn't end up staying the whole because we didn't get to the finals, but in between some games, we actually had some downtime in the hotel, and I was able to do some drawing. The girls went and played in the pool for a little bit, and I took my tablet down there too to do some drawing. So that was really nice. Now in this next video, this is actually a memorial photo for my parents' dog, Abby, who was very old and just recently passed away and is dearly missed. But I just want to say thank you so much for hanging out with me, you guys, and I'll see you next time.